In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the HoneyDue app and answer the question, is it worth it in 2025? Let's dive right in. HoneyDue is a mobile-only budgeting and expense tracking app created specifically for couples or partners. What sets it apart is its ability to allow both partners to view linked financial accounts, set shared budgets, and even comment on transactions. The app is free to use without any subscription required, although there is an optional tip or donation model available if you feel inclined to support the development. Now, let's explore some key features of HoneyDue. You can link various financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and loans, enabling you and your partner to view balances and transactions together. You also have the choice to determine how much information you share, whether that's showing only balances, full transaction details, or hiding certain information entirely. The app helps you set spending limits per category, sending you notifications as you approach those limits. Plus, it includes bill reminder capabilities, tracking upcoming bills and due dates to keep you on top of your finances. A unique feature of HoneyDue is its built-in chat, allowing partners to discuss transactions directly within the app, fostering open communication about spending. And rest assured, all features are free. No worries about locked features or a paid tier. Security is a priority as well, with bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication in place. So, what makes HoneyDue a standout choice? It's specifically designed for couples, making it a top contender for those who want to manage money together. The app also offers flexible sharing and privacy options, ensuring you and your partner remain comfortable at different levels of financial transparency. Plus, the free usage model is attractive as there's no mandatory fee or subscription barrier to worry about. The chat and comment feature encourages financial discussions, a crucial aspect for maintaining harmony in relationships. The app has been recognized by reputable outlets as a leading choice for couples budgeting tools. However, let's address some limitations. HoneyDue is mobile only, so if you prefer managing your finances on a larger desktop screen, this might be a downside. Additionally, it lacks some advanced budgeting tools available in other apps, such as deeper analytics, forecasting, and investment tracking. Some users report occasional syncing or categorization issues, along with the simplicities in dealing with complex financial situations, such as business income or varied tax obligations. The free model might mean slower feature development or support compared to paid apps. Wondering if HoneyDue is right for you? It's ideal for couples who want to budget together, split expenses, and maintain some control over privacy. It's perfect for those who appreciate a simple, free mobile app. But if you require desktop access, full-scale financial planning, or have complex financial needs with investments or business income, you might find HoneyDue limiting and may benefit more from a more robust app. So, is HoneyDue worth it in 2025? Absolutely. If you're a couple wanting an effective, no-cost way to manage your finances together. However, for those seeking advanced features or greater complexity in financial tools, consider other options.